Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I have for you guys a quick Target haul and a small Walgreens haul. I wasn't going to do any couponing this week because I'm trying to rest and save my energy for Black Friday next week, and because I'm very excited for the deals. I will be posting a little of what I'm going to be doing, but not my whole scenario because it consists of a lot of transactions and I don't want to bore you with that. So today I went out to Target. I wasn't going to do any couponing like I said, but I found these deals that were really good, so I decided to go for them. So I was at hip2save.com. They posted this Aveeno scenario and I thought it was really good since I already had the coupons, and I also had Target gift cards from previous transactions from the Curel. So the deal is when you buy any 3 Aveeno, there's a lot of things in the deal, but these are the cheapest ones. These are $2.98 at my store. When you buy any 3 Aveeno, you get back a $5 gift card. And there was also a deal where if you buy any 6 of them, you get back 2 $5 gift cards. So since I already had $10 in gift cards coming into the transaction, I decided to get 6. I got 6 of the moisturizing bars. These are $2.98 at my store. My total was $8.90 something. I don't have my receipt to show you. I gave them the $10 in gift cards I came in with, and it was free, and I got back 10, and I had a balance of $1.49 in my gift card. So this was a really good deal, and this is the coupon that I used. It is save $3 on any 2 Aveeno products, and the exclusion is on travel size and 2.5 ounces. And as you see over here, this bar is 3.5 ounces, so you could definitely use this coupon on these items. Really good deal. There was only one of these baby lips at my Target. So my daughter needed diapers, and I always wait till last minute, and thank God that this week there's a really good deal on the Huggies and Pampers at Target. But I decided that this Huggies deal was better because we have Target coupons and also manufacturer's coupons. So I will link the coupons for the Huggies down below. Basically, the deal is when you buy any 3 of the jumbo pack of Huggies slip-on diapers, you get back a $5 gift card. So these are $8.99. We have $2 off any Huggies Little Movers. It's a manufacturer's coupon that I will link down below. And we also have a $2 off Target coupon from the squirmybaby.com. I will also link it down below, so you can actually stack those coupons to get a better savings. Let me show you my receipt for this transaction. So that's for the lip balm. For the lip balm I used a Target coupon and a $1 manufacturer's coupon that we got from Facebook, but it expires tomorrow and I only had one left, so that's the only one I could find. That was that. And then I did this with the Huggies. So the Huggies are $8.99. You see right there, I purchased 3 of them. I gave them a $5 gift card, and my total was $31.97. So after all of my coupons, my total was $14.97. The receipt, I don't know what's wrong with it. It's not. Oh, there it is. $14.96. Then my total was $14.99. I gave them $1.40 in the gift card that I had left from the Aveeno. I gave them the $5 gift card I also purchased from the Aveeno, which I had 2 coming into this transaction, and 99 cents balance from another gift card. So my total was not $8. My total was $7.63, and my total savings for this transaction on the Huggies was $21.50. So my total was $7.63, and then I got back a $5 gift card for purchasing 3 of the Huggies, essentially making 3 packs of Huggies slip-on diapers $2. Guys, that is such a great deal. If you have kids, you know how expensive it gets with diapers. So go and check out that Aveeno deal because it is smoking hot, especially that we have coupons and that a lot of you have been doing that Curel deal. So next I went to Walgreens. I really wasn't going to go, but one of my cashier friends from Walgreens called me and we met up because she told me that she had found some of these some of these vapor drops, and she had about 8 of them at her store that she had saved for me. So I went and I did 4 per transaction because you can only use 4 like coupons, and this coupon came from the October 2nd P&G. It's $1 on any one Vicks product, and I know we get this coupon often, but they never had them at any of my Walgreens, and I have about 4 Walgreens really close to where I live, but no one ever had them. So I was excited to get some of those. I got 8 there, and then she told me that she had gone to the other Walgreens and that they a little bit farther where I live. So she told me to go there and check, and I went to check and they had 2 boxes. The guy went to check in the back and he had 2 boxes, and I had about 17 coupons left. So I told him if I could take them on. He said yes, let me just bring out the other box in case someone else wants to come and get some. So I got all of these for free because there was no taxes on these. So here it is, 4 of the Vicks, 0, total savings $4 for each. So this is a great deal. The coupon is expiring next week, so if you guys have these coupons and you haven't used them yet, go and get these Vicks vapor drops. A lot of the times what you have to do is ask for these things because you will go crazy if you just go in the store and try to look for them. So just ask so they can bring them from the back, or if they have them upstairs or anything. So this was such a great deal, and he also told me to take the little box it came with so I can store them better. Okay, so then I did the Vanity Fair deal, which is buy one get one free. I had 55% off coupons for each. I don't have my receipt for that either. Making these 95 cents each for 100 pack of what do you call it, paper towel napkins, and these are great for the holidays. If you guys want to stock up on those, 95 cents for 100 is a really good deal. And then I got some of these products. We had $1 off coupons from this week's Smart Stores. These were running me like $1.89. I had $1 off coupon making these 89 cents. And these were really expensive. I got these products mainly because my father-in-law, he uses this brand and he really enjoys it. So I wanted to get some stuff for him, so when he comes back, he can use these things. And I usually don't ever spend more than like $1 per for things like deodorant or anything like this, but he enjoys this product, so I just wanted to get it for him. These are also 50% off at Walgreens this week, and with our manufacturer's coupons they make them a really good price. And they were kind of expensive because after everything these were $3 each and these were 89 cents, so these were a little bit better. But I wanted to get it for him because I know he enjoys this product, and I had a coupon, so I decided to get it while I had a coupon. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Stay tuned because tomorrow I will be announcing the winner for my giveaway. Good luck to everyone, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.